Just got a Mac and still clicking through everything the slow way? In this video, I'll show you 15 keyboard shortcuts that will instantly make you faster and save you hours every week. If you're new here, I'm Roe. After 20 plus years on Windows, I switched to Mac. And now I share everything I learned through simple tutorials to help new Mac users go from confused to confident fast. Let's start with the shortcuts you'll use all the time. Command+C to copy, Command+V to paste. If you're coming from Windows, this will feel familiar. Now here's one most beginners don't know. Option plus Command+V moves a file instead of copying it. So instead of Command+V for pasting a copy and then deleting the original, Option plus Command+V does it all in one step. Command+A selects everything. Command+Z undoes your last action. You'll use undo a lot while learning, so remember this one. Now let's speed up how you navigate your Mac. Command+Space opens Spotlight Search. This is one of the most powerful shortcuts on Mac. Instead of clicking through folders or apps, just type what you need and open it instantly. Command+Tab lets you switch between apps. Think of it like jumping instantly between everything you have open. Command+T opens a new tab. Command+R refreshes a page. These are especially useful when you're working in browser apps like Safari or Google Chrome. These next shortcuts help you stay in control. Command+Q quits an app completely. Important, this actually closes the app, not just the window. Option plus Command+Escape opens, force quit. If an app freezes, this is how you get out of it quickly. And if you're coming from Windows, this is basically the Mac version of Control plus Shift plus Escape, or closer version to Alt plus Control plus Delete. Now let's make file handling easier. Command+Delete moves a file to the trash. Option plus Command+Delete deletes it immediately permanently. So it skips the trash completely. Use this carefully. Shift plus Command+Delete empties the trash. Now for one you'll probably use a lot. Shift plus Command+3 takes a screenshot of your entire screen instantly. Shift plus Command+5 opens the full screenshot and screen recording tool. From here you can capture a selected area, capture a specific window or app, record your entire screen, or record just a selected part. Now personally, I found this shortcut a bit less intuitive to remember, so I actually changed it to Command+S so I can open the screenshot and screen recording tool instantly. If you take a lot of screenshots or record your screen, this saves a surprising amount of time. And this is something a lot of new Mac users don't realize. You can actually change almost any keyboard shortcut in settings. So don't feel like you have to memorize everything. Just adjust your Mac so it works the way your brain works. And a quick bonus, this is a really useful one most people don't know. Control plus Command+Space opens the emoji and symbols panel. From here, you can quickly insert emojis, special characters, or symbols anywhere you're typing. So instead of searching online or copying and pasting, you can access everything instantly. This works in notes, messages, mail, basically anywhere you type. If you're new to Mac, these shortcuts will make you faster right away. But if you really want to feel organized and in control, you need to master Finder next. So watch this next video where I show you 10 Finder tricks every beginner should know. And if this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Mac beginner productivity tips. This is Soft Switch, where we make Apple aesthetic simple and stress-free. See you in the next one.